So let's just say, guys, yesterday was not the best day for Soundhound AI stock. It went down over 16% on the day officially at close, and I think earlier in the day it was down almost 20%, maybe even over 20%. So we have to break down the charts, my thoughts, what I'm looking to do, and I want to break down some insider trading that's been going on as of late. We'll cover that here in a couple of minutes. But first, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe as we're almost at 50,000 subs, guys. And get your stocks from Moomoo. Use that link down below. Open up your account. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get into it. So at this point, you guys know the stock market is closed today because of the passing of President Carter. We all know that, right? So this is really, this video, it's to get you ready for tomorrow and for next week, right? Because, again, yesterday was a bloodbath, right? 16% in the red for this stock. And I think, like I said, at one point we were down 20%, maybe over 20%. Let me double check that here quickly, guys. Yeah, I mean, we got down about 19-20% at the low. And on Wednesday, yesterday, we took out the lows from Tuesday very easily at that. I mean, on Tuesday, we held 1750, and then Wednesday, yesterday, we got all the way down to 1450. So we lost $3 of value there, pretty much from the previous day. And on Monday, guys, we held 1950. So this whole week so far, it's been red day after red day for Soundhound, and it's been big red days at that. I mean, look, we're down from $23 Monday morning to $14.50 middle of the day Wednesday. In just 2 days of trading, this dropped almost 40%. So there's a lot going on, no doubt. A lot of selling, a lot of profit taking, maybe weak hands being shaken out. I mean, we'll see here in a second. Some insiders, were selling out at the end of last year. Not a crazy amount of their positions, but they were trimming stock, maybe because they saw this potentially happening, right? This sell-off, which in my opinion, I think was much needed. I mean, I've covered this stock a couple times here on the channel recently, and I've mentioned to you guys, look, I think it's a bit overvalued. I said that when it was at $20 bucks, $25, even here at 15. It's not as overvalued as it was at $25 here at 15, obviously, but it's still a bit frothy in my opinion. And we'll see. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Maybe this is a great spot to buy long-term shares, but I'm looking at it more as a trade, right? And as of now, we have come down $10 from highs, or about, let's see here, 40%. And we are at the 180 SMA on the 4-hour chart. We're right above it. We're holding it as support, which, guys, it's held as support for months. So this level is critical for the bulls to hold at about $14, $15. Right now, we're holding it, but we got to get the actual bounce, the rebound. When will we rebound? That's the $1 million question. And in my eyes, guys, in my opinion, we're going to have to break over $16 again to $16.50 because, pay attention, that was the high from the beginning of December. Then we broke out of it, obviously, got the $25, had that historical run there. Now we're back under 16. It was support. Now it's resistance again. We have to retake it. We have to retake that level. I think there's a chance we do that, and I'm going to wait for it. That's what I'm waiting for personally. I'm going to set my alert at $16 per share, and if we're able to get out of there, guys, that's where I'm thinking a move, maybe back to $20, maybe higher. that's where we could be, going. So let me show you now the insider trading that's been going on. And as I actually pull this up, make sure to sign up to my free email list. Every week, I'm sending out my top 3 stocks right to your inbox, right to your email for free. And again, it's linked down below. All you have to do is put your first name, your email address, and you'll join 2,200 plus people that get my weekly emails. Again, for the third time, for free. So check it out, linked down below. So here we can see the insider transactions at Soundhound AI, which we've gotten a couple. If I zoom in here, we can see here all these were in December pretty much. All these ones that you're seeing right here, and the stock really started to move in December. I mean, to give you some perspective, it was under $10 per share to start off December. It was at like $8, $9. And obviously, by the end of December, we got all the way to 25. So during this run-up, insiders were trimming their positions. And notice, I'm saying trimming, not selling completely. I'm saying trimming. So we had a director here. Let's just run through some of these quickly from December, guys. Obviously, we can't go through everything in full depth here, but the biggest move, it looks like, from earlier in December was from, it looks like here, VP Engineering, Majid Imami. They ended up selling 48% of their position, about a $10 million move. That's a big move there, guys. So they sold about half, it looks like there. Looks like sale. Let's see, what else here? COO, Michael Zagorsek. I'm saying that wrong probably, but they sold 22% of their position at $20 per share. So keep in mind that. It was roughly a $8 million move, pretty big move there. And the previous guy, the VP Engineering, he sold at $15 per share, so maybe a little too early there. Then we can see coming up a little bit more, same guy, Majid Imami, he sold at $20. Again, it looks like here on the 20th of December, he sold another $750, roughly $1,000 worth of the stock. And then as we got closer to Christmas, right, more into the new year, closer to the new year, we had the COO, CFO, CTO, and CEO, pretty much all the C-suite executives, everyone, even the chief product officer, guys, every one of them sold out about 5%, 4%. Looks like the CEO here sold 12% of his or her position. Kayvon, so I guess that's a guy, right? Kayvon or Kevon, either way, whatever. Kevon, the CEO, sold $5.6 million worth at $20 a share on the 20th of December, and all of these sales from the C-suite executives came on the 20th of December, and they all sold about 4 or 5%, except for the CEO, who again sold 12% of their stakes. So a lot of selling, guys. It's not like they're selling 30% or 50% or 70% of their position. If a C-suite executive was, that'd be a little nerve-wracking a bit, but they're not. It's smaller sales, but they're still selling nonetheless, which to me leads me to believe, okay, they're not selling a big position. That's good. They're selling a little bit, which means they're trimming. The stocks ran up a lot. They're taking some off the table. It's probably through the trading rule or trading plan 10b5-1. We've covered that before here. So it's not a crazy deal, I would say. But that's kind of what we got from the end of December. Nothing yet from 2025, which I guess is a good sign. It looks like we haven't gotten any filings yet from insiders this year yet from Soundhound. But we'll see. And ideally, I mean, it'd be great if the insiders were buying this dip, but obviously we're not getting any evidence of that quite yet. So in the short term, guys, let's see what happens at $15, $16. This is a big spot. This is a big spot. And for me, like I said, I'm not looking at this as a long-term play now, but I'm looking at it as a trade. We'll see what happens at $16 per share. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe here on YouTube and get your stocks from Moo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100, you get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or simply go to stocksurfs.com/Moo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.